How to use a TikTok template in CapCut. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To use a TikTok template in your CapCut, you can check out your TikTok application in your device. Now over here, make sure to log in into your TikTok. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for CapCut template. Then you can go ahead and check out some of the trendiest of the templates that you can use for. You can just click on a particular template over here. Now at the bottom of the template, you will notice CapCut Try This Template. You can actually click on Try This Template option, which will redirect you to your CapCut. Select on Use Template in CapCut. After which, you will have to select on multiple of media that you can add in your CapCut. As you can see, it will require me to at least upload 33 of the media. So if I click on Use Template, then the next process is to select video or photos from my gallery to upload. So this is how you use a TikTok template in your CapCut. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.